Welcome back to Fact Fusion Network today. We're diving into a transformative technology that's reshaping transportation. Electric vehicles. First, let's cover the basics. Electric vehicles, or EVs, run on electricity instead of gasoline. They use electric motors powered by rechargeable batteries, making them a cleaner alternative to traditional combustion engine vehicles. The heart of an EV is its battery pack, usually made up of lithium-ion cells. These batteries store electrical energy that powers the electric motor. The motor, in turn, drives the wheels, propelling the vehicle forward. Power electronics manage the flow of electricity between the battery and the motor. When you press the accelerator, power electronics draw energy from the battery and supply it to the electric motor. The motor converts this electrical energy into mechanical energy, which turns the wheels. One of the unique features of EVs is regenerative braking. When you brake, the electric motor runs in reverse, acting as a generator. It converts the kinetic energy of the vehicle back into electrical energy, which is stored in the battery. This process improves efficiency and extends the vehicle's range. There are several types of electric vehicles. Battery electric vehicles, BEVs, run entirely on electricity and have no internal combustion engine. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs, have both an electric motor and a gasoline engine, allowing them to switch between electric and gasoline power. Hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs, also combine an electric motor and a gasoline engine, but they can't be plugged in to charge. Electric vehicles have a significant impact on the environment and our economy. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. This is crucial in the fight against climate change. Studies show that EVs can significantly reduce carbon emissions, especially when powered by renewable energy sources. Additionally, they improve air quality in urban areas, reducing health problems associated with air pollution. As the grid becomes greener, the environmental benefits of EVs will continue to grow. Charging your EV with solar or wind power further reduces your carbon footprint. Limited charging infrastructure and higher upfront costs are significant barriers. However, advancements in battery technology are driving down costs and increasing vehicle range, making EVs more accessible. The future of electric vehicles looks promising. With continuous innovation, we can expect longer ranges, faster charging times, and more affordable options. Electric vehicles represent a leap forward in transportation technology, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional cars. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the science behind electric vehicles. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fact Fusion Network.